How to buy Ubigi eSIM. To buy Ubigi eSIM, follow these steps. First, download and open the app. Then click on Sign Up option. Then sign up by giving your first name, last name, email address, new password, selecting country and clicking these box. Then click on Sign Up option. Then enter the verification code sent to your email. Then click on Link a Ubigi eSIM. Then click on Smartphone. Then click on No twice. Then click on Install My Free eSIM Now. And complete the installation. Then click on Pick a Data Plan. Then select a data plan and click on it. Then enter coupon code if you had. Then click on Checkout. Then select a payment method and click on Pay. And you bought a Ubigi eSIM by buying a data plan. Thanks for watching.